Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Jimmy Mastery. We're going to go ahead and play a strategy. This is a new strategy for you guys. This is called Star Wars. This one is pretty cool, man. This one has a chance to compete against the #1 strategy. I think I did a really good job on this one. So you guys tell me what you think in the comments if you like this one, but I like it. It seems to be winning a lot. Let me go ahead and just get in my little chair here, guys. Bear with me for a minute here. You guys know that I have a broken ankle, so I got to make sure that I'm comfortable over here when I start. Okay, I feel pretty good over here. All right, so what I'm going to do is load myself up with 5,000. You do need a bankroll to play this, okay? You can start at bubble craps. You can start off at $5 levels, okay? I'm going to start it off today at a $25 level. I have no idea where my black chips went. That's weird. Oh, here they are. I found them. I found them. I was like, where the heck are my black chips? Okay, now we'll put... Normally I have this ready for you guys, but... being that I have the broken ankle, I only come out here one time. Before, I would come out here and prep everything when I could just walk out here, you know. Much easier with 2 feet, people. All right, so since we're not playing with any red, we're not going to cap or anything, okay? All right, guys, we have 5,000 there, all right? So the way that Star Wars works is you go with 3 chances for each level that you play. Sometimes I'll get a little impatient and I'll fail 2 times and I'll go up. But it's technically you get 3 chances for each level. So it uses Jimmy's Way betting system. And like I said, I would recommend that you have a decent buy-in to make this successful, okay? All right, but it's a good structure. You'll like it. Here we go. Okay, a 9 is our point, okay? So we're going to go like this. We're going to start off on level 1. And remember, your level 1 could be $5. Your level 2 could be $10. Okay, there's a 5. Okay, there's an 8. So we're going to take the $30 that we get. We're going to pocket 5 and we're going to add our 5. Okay, we hit a 5. We're going to take the 35. We're going to put 10 in our rack, and we're going to add the 4. Okay, we hit a 6. We're going to pocket the 5 and add our 9. Okay, there's a 10, a 9. Now you notice I'm only adding after I get profit that comes in. So we get 35, and then I'm going to add my 10. Okay, so just in the $5 increments that we received, we actually have enough to buy to either press or something like that. But in this particular case, there is no pressing or anything like that. So what you need now is just 1 hit to complete that shooter. Okay, here we go. Okay, you hit the 9, which is the point. Okay. So now you're going to get another 35, right? You're going to pocket that entire thing. Profit, 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 plus that money, all that other money that you profited, okay? So you had a successful first shooter on the system, all right? As you go up in levels, I'm going to just let everybody know, this system can be very frustrating. Sometimes it takes time to build it up to all of the numbers. And sometimes you'll have all the numbers and you throw that last one and it's a 7. So just be patient with it. And remember, each level before it has to go up gets 3 chances. If you want to play it with 2, that's fine, but it's a little riskier. Okay, we're going to start all over. 4 is the point. I have also, Star Wars does something else as well. but I'll show you, but we need more profit in order to do it, okay? So we're gonna start over. Now, of course, if you're just looking to build a bankroll, you would have already cashed out, okay? If you haven't won any money from this game, you really need to leave. You just take the cash and leave, okay? So we're gonna pocket 5, and we're gonna add our 9. Okay, we hit an 8. We're gonna pocket 5 and add our 5. 10. 6. Okay, we're gonna pocket 5 and add our 4. 9. Okay, that's gonna pay 35, so we get to pocket 10 and add our 25 on the 10. So we will have another successful shooter if we're able to get one more hit. 10, and that's a good number. That's a really good number. So we're gonna take 100, we'll give them 50. Oops, we'll give them 50 right here, okay? All right, so they already paid us for our 10. So you're able to come down again. Now you've had 2 successful shooters, all right? So I'll show you what, so right now you're probably up about 300 to 350 already, okay? And remember, you're only on level 1. For those of you that want to play, if you have a smaller bankroll and you want to try this maybe with 500 bucks or something, I would say play bubble craps and start with $5. If it fails, you stay on $5 because you have 3 times that it has to fail. Then you go to $10. If those 3 times fail, then you go to $15. But once you get to the green, where you're at the quarter level, after it fails, they go to 50. Then they go to 75. Then it goes to a black chip, the 100. Then it goes to 200. Okay, here we go. Okay, a hard 10. That was a hard 10, actually. Oh, we're still on the same shooter. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and come in now. You don't have to wait for the 7 or anything. 4. Okay, we're off. We don't work to come out. Hard 4. Point goes right back to that 4. 8. Okay, we pocket 5, add our 9. Now, it doesn't matter what number you do. I would recommend that you stay with the inside first. Okay, there's a 7. All right, so that's 1 failure. But here's what's cool. You only lost 50, okay? You really lost, to be honest with you, you lost 45. So it's really no big deal. Okay, here we go. 7. Okay, our point is a 9. Okay, we're on the same level, second chance of this level. 3. 3. 3, wow. 5. 10. 7. Okay, that's a second chance. Fail. 9 is the new point. Same level, last chance. 7, you have failed on level 1. Level 1 has completely failed. So you are going to go now to level 2. Okay, there's another 7. So the 7s are getting a little hot. Okay, 11. 7s are hot, guys. There's a nice little 10. Okay, 50 and 50. Level 2, first chance. 8. We're going to get 70. You're going to pocket 20 and go on the 5. Or I'm sorry, 60. We're going to give back 10. We overpaid ourselves. Okay, there's a 4, no help. 11, no help. 10, hard 10 is my friend. Okay, we're off. 7, hard 8. Okay, here we go. 5. Okay, we're going to get, now that one gets 70. You're going to pocket 20. Boom, we'll go with the 4 instead of the 9. Normally I like to do the inside. Inside first. 5. Okay, you're going to get 70. You're going to pocket 20. Now you got your 9. You're just 2 hits away. 6. Going to get 60. You're going to pocket 10. Okay, here we go. We need one more hit. 10. Perfect hit, too. You got 50 on there. That's 100. And now that's going to allow you to reduce right back down to level 1. Not only on level 1, but the first chance again. All right? Now, we're going to go ahead and analyze how we're doing on the session and see if we're good to go. Okay, so we are $5,000 right there. That's prop bet money. It's not real money. It's just fake money. It's for entertainment purposes only. So I can show you guys how to play these strategies from my studio. Okay, so we did good, guys. Okay, so here, this is going to give us, this is 100 here that we have. So that's 100 in profit, okay? Okay, this is 125. 5 for the dealers, okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550. That quick. Nothing wrong with that, okay? All right, now I'll show you something that you can do that I added to this system, Star Wars. And that is when it's a come out and you're up a decent profit like this, what you do is you go $100 all the way across on the lay. You're not buying, you're laying them. The worst thing that's going to happen to you is you lose $100 because if it's 5, you get picked off on the 5, so you lose 100. But if you happen to throw that 7 there, what's nice about that is you're going to get paid on $600 all the way across. So you won't make 600, but you'll make probably like 363, 380, somewhere around there out of the $600. But the worst that you can risk is 100 of your profit. So I usually like to do it when I'm up between 600 to 800. And sometimes I'll get lucky and I'll throw that 7 on the come out and I'll literally run it back one more time, because if he throws 2 7s in a row, that's great. And the worst thing that can happen is he finally gets a point and I only lose 100, but I won that 365. So I really made 265, but I had a chance to go for 2 7s in a row. And then you just cash out. So it's just a quick way to increase your profits, okay? So that is Star Wars right there, guys. It very well could be my best system. I really don't know. I haven't tested it enough. I'm probably like 12-0. I've won 12 straight times about with this system on my simulator. So based on the structure, I really like it. Could it win like thousands and thousands of dollars? Yeah, it could, because if you get up to the levels of, let's say, $500 a number, and you happen to be able to go straight across, and you build it up straight across where you got 500 on each number, and then your final roll was successful as well, yeah, you could do really well, especially if you hit 4s and 10s a lot. So, but you know, where it's going to get yourself in some trouble is if you're not patient and either you don't have enough of your bankroll buy-in, if you don't have a big buy-in, you might not be able to go up to the levels that it requires, or you might be afraid. So that would kind of hurt you. And then, of course, those days where the 7 is coming like every third roll, those will really hurt you. So those type of tables will hurt you. Even though you get 3 chances for each level, if you get 7s coming out every 3 to 4 rolls, it's going to create a problem on that session. So I would recommend, if you see a table that's doing that, immediately leave that table. Go to a different table, okay? All right, guys, that's it for today. Give me a like button. You can support my channel by going to jimmymastery.com for all my private strategies. I specialize in Baccarat. I have Baccarat training on there. I've got the best Baccarat strategies, and I've got really good crap strategies that are private. They're not for the public. So you can go to jimmymastery.com, and that will support the channel, okay? Thank you for watching. Wishing everybody a great day, and I'll see you guys on the next one, and I'm going to hop out of here.